In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change spring units here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is go ahead and open up the pause menu. So go ahead and just hit pause real quick. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. By default, it should put you on the campaign tab. If for whatever reason it doesn't, just tab over to campaign and then scroll down and then you need to open up your settings right here. So go ahead and open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, look on the left-hand side menu and scroll down and you need to select HUD and gameplay in this settings section. Once you open this up, scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is going to be spring units. You're going to have to scroll down a little far in order to actually see this, but look for spring units on here. And by default, it's probably going to be set to default, which means it just follows your system or region settings. But you can also switch it to, the other available unit options if you prefer a different measurement style. That's going to be the full process right here. Adjust these, and when you back out, make sure you hit save if it does prompt you to save. And if you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Of course, before you do leave this guide, it would greatly help us out if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It just lets us know that you want more content like this, so we keep making more videos. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.